So the year 2021 has gone and we are moving towards new world. The year 2022, on behalf of Profit From It, I welcome this new year with a big bang. So what you are going to do this new year and what new skills we are going to learn this year? Have you focused on skill building, financial planning in skill building, or you are focusing on building of your assets? Is health your top priority? Are you going to travel? Are you focusing for a better, happy year rather than stressed year? So, finance or health, we should look on our past from where I came during last 10 years to today and where I'm moving further towards 2022, 2030, or even in the future 2040. So, if finance, that is, if wealth creation is your goal, if better asset creation is your goal, then it is vital to understand financial planning. Financial planning aims at ensuring that a household or individual has adequate income or resources to meet current and future expenses and needs, along with the goal of good asset creation. So I think the regular income for a household or individual may come from sources such as profession, salary, business, or even investments. But every individual should have other type of an regular income. We should create the assets, and these assets should be contributing to your regular income. The normal activities of a household or individual and the routine expenses are woven around the regular income and the time when this is received. However, there are other expenses that may also have to be met out of the available income. So the current income that is received must also provide for a time when there will be no or low income being generated, such as in the retirement or long vacation period. You might think that in coming 2 years I will not work, but that 2 years of even a midterm retirement should not hurt your lifestyle. So how can we do this thing? There may be unexpected expenses which are not budgeted, such as large medical expense, or there may be needs in the future that require a large amount of money, such as education of children or buying a home, all of which require adequate fund to be made available at the right time. So why we need to create assets? Because these assets can take care of all these things. A portion of the current income is therefore saved and applied to creating assets that will meet this requirement. Financial planning refers to the process of streamlining the income, expense, assets, and liabilities of the household and individual to take care of both current and future need for funds. So let me take an example. Here is Ramesh at the age of 40. He earns 2 lakh per month and he know our rule 20-30-20 ratio. So he is saving 20%, right? Rupees 40,000 per month saving he is already doing after meeting all the routine expenses of the family, paying loan for his house, car, and other needs. Where he is investing is 20%. He is investing in tax savings, bank deposits, bonds, and maybe mutual funds. Moreover, I have met many people who are investing, but they focus on investing in view of tax saving, the tax which is always on their eagle's eye, right? And they make all the future planning taking or considering their tax as main priority. But friends, we need to understand that investment plannings should be seen not only with the views of tax savings, right? We will talk about it later. Yes, Ramesh has also insured himself. He paid the premium on life insurance for himself and his wife. So he is sole earning member of his family. And I believe he take care of his finances adequately to take care of his current and future needs. How would financial planning help him? Do you think this much is sufficient? Or Ramesh should consider some other thing also? Some important questions that can help Ramesh plan better 2022 to 2030 or even beyond. What should be those questions? Question number one, as the sole earning member, has he made provisions for taking care of his expenses by creating an emergency fund if his current income is interrupted for any period? He should have 6 month liquid assets for any type of emergency fund. Question number two, does he have adequate insurance cover which will take care of his family requirement in the event of his dot dot dot? I don't want to say further, but yes, we need to have proper insurance and proper assets, right? Like term plan or medically can give us insurance coverage, and proper assets can give regular income to family. Question number three, what are his specific future expenses and how will he fund them? So answer to this question is creating assets, but he should know what are his specific future expenses. Question number four, if Ramesh has to create a corpus to fund large expenses in the future, what is the size of the investment corpus he should build? Friend, he should not be dependent on pension. He should build his own corpus. So creating good and big asset is answer to these questions. Question number five, given his current income and expenses, is he saving enough to create the corpus required? Yeah, important question. Here, I have already said that he is saving 20%. So I can't tell him you should save 30%, 40%. Yes, my dear friend, he is saving enough, but his 20% saving should create a good assets. How we can create those assets? This answer could be get from question 6. Will he have to cut back on his current expense, or can he increase his current income so that his expense in the present and the saving for the future are met? I think these are hard targets. We can't cut current expense, or we can't even increase our income. So increase of current income can be done if we have better assets, because these assets are going to increase your annual income. But the real answer to this question is increase the return on investment. That is the percentage where you are investing. ROI, better ROI is the answer. We can't cut expenses. But yes, we can increase the percentage where we are investing. So question number 7, what is the wealth Ramesh has so far built from his savings, and how can he best use it to meet his needs? Increase the percentage is the answer. But question number 8, how should his savings be deployed? What kind of investments are suitable for Ramesh to build that required dream corpus? Create the assets that can take care of all income, expense, and liabilities. Today, we might have single income. We should think of multiple source of income, and that multiple source could be created from assets. Yes, we can't cut expenses, but the expenses should be taken care of from assets. Even the liabilities, we need to check what are liabilities costing and how to decrease them. So as we have entered into new year, we should know what are our current assets and what are our current liabilities. We should have the goal to increase the assets till that stage that the assets can take care of my income, expense, and liabilities, and that will be the time when I could even stop working. Both these things we should consider. Asset which should be growing. So growth and stabilities, this both should be there in our asset. Not only we should focus on growth, and not only we should focus on stability. Combination of both of the things can give us a good asset. So here you with sufficient assets. Yes, my assets are taking care of my all expenses and liabilities, and this is my goal. Yes, I will decrease my liabilities and I will increase my return on investment. No goal are large, no goal are big. Have goal, proper goal set. Learn to achieve goal and take action. Stick to your goals. So welcome the year 2022 with the big bang. You can contact our team. These are toll-free number. Download the app and start learning. We are always with you on the road towards wealth creation. Thank you.